Hi everyone, I'm Bob Chapman, Technical Instructor with the AkzoNobel Training Center in Chicago. We're going to discuss a slow roll blending technique today. And what it is when you're ready to do your orientation coat, you're back off the panel 12 to 14 inches, and when you get to the edge of your last coat of color, it's a full trigger and you just slowly roll your gun out. What it does is it throws bigger droplets out there by using a full trigger. Make sure you have slower solvents. If you're a solvent-based user, slow or extra slow. If you're a water-based user, you need to be using 30% activator WB or more, okay? And it allows the bigger, wetter droplets to lay on the edge of the panel. The metallics are allowed to float within the film, and then after evaporation, they lay down nice and flat, eliminating any halos that you would have on these high metallic, tough to blend colors. Now, after I've checked for coverage to make sure that we're good, my last coat is going to be my orientation coat, and that's when I'm going to work on my slow roll. So I'm going to back off the panel about 12 to 14 inches, and it's going to be a full trigger and just slowly roll it back into the my color area. As you can see, it was pretty simple, and it can really help you out on those tough to blend colors. As always, thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing AkzoNobel.